Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Truist app is not loading at all, here's a quick way to get it working again. First of all, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Truist app, and then swipe it away, then reopen it. After that, you're going to head over to your app store, search for the Truist mobile banking app, and then update it. Updating your app helps you fix issues, so make sure to update your app to the latest version. Then restart your phone to clear any temporary glitches. If it still does not load, clear cache and temporary data in your phone settings. Then at last, resort on and uninstall the app. Long press on the Truest app, click on remove app, then delete app. Now again, head over to your app store, search for the Truist app, and reinstall your app from there. After these steps, your Truist app should load normally without any errors, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.